Can you all see the screen, all of you all? Is it being shared? Fine. Circles, right? Circles. Yes. Okay, yesterday we did few questions. So which one we did? Up to the fourth one we did? Fourth type? Parallel line? Okay, now see, it is not according to your textbook or this one, students. I'm going according to the formulas, concepts, what I taught. Okay, according to the concept, look at the next question. You should tell me which formula we apply. All of you will read this. Fifth one, copy the question, copy the diagram. What kind of quadrilateral is this? It's a cyclic. It's a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, there are two angles given. What are the values we need to find, students? We need to find ADB, next BAC and ABC. See, these are the three angles. Okay, draw the diagram. All are practice question. Board exam you can't predict. And one more thing, you can't predict that you'll be getting the same question. So concepts are important. You should know whatever question they give, you should be able to apply all the concept and find the answer. Okay, just ignore this. Copy the diagram. These are the three questions asked. So apart from these three, students, apart from these three questions, we'll try to find all the values, all the angles. Okay. First thing, look here. I'll explain. What did I tell you? Where? Yeah, tell me. Is any center? 43. Yes, correct. Is any center mentioned here? Center in the question? No, there is no. If center is not given, can we apply center is equal to twice circumference? Possible, no. Then what's the second theorem? Circumference is equal to circumference. Angle lying on the same segment. I'll tell you what to write statement. So ADB is our students. Ignore that. Look here. What's the angle formed? Will you take any one angle, 52 or 43? Which angle? Let us take 52, student. 52, which is the arc? For angle 52, which is the arc? AB. And where's the angle formed? ACP, right? Yes. This ACP arc is formed on the circumference. On the same arc AB, where is the other angle? On the same arc AB, where is the other angle? So just check the line. Yes, check this line. Is it then touching this line? All of you can see this, right? So we got the answer. See, then what is this angle? This angle is also 52 degree. So let me write. Angle ACP is equal to what angle? ADB is equal to 52. Then write the statement. Don't write circumference. That is how I teach. You all write angles formed. Make a note, all of you. Angles formed on the same segment are equal. Angles formed on the same segment. Is it a sector or segment? ACB and ADB. Segment. It has a arc plus chord. Angles formed on the same segment are equal. In the same way, where is another angle given, students? Which is the other angle? CAB will be equal. CAB or BAC? So now we have started angle circumference concept. So we got the first value. We got angle ADB. First one. Second, if you want to find BAC, students, yeah, tell me BAC. For angle BAC, which is the arc? Which is the arc? Yes, BC is the arc. Look here. For B and C is the arc. For angle, which one? BAC. On the same arc, where is another angle formed, students, on the same arc? Look, if I erase all this, where is the other angle formed on same BC? Yes, BDC is the other angle. So angle formed on those who have joined late, I can't help students, go through the recording, can't explain again. Angle BAC is equal to which one? Which is the other one angle? BDC. Yeah, CDB or BDC. I told you I'll always go with alphabetical order. Which one comes first, C or B? B. That's why they write according to alphabetical. Do you think C comes first? AB? B. That's the reason this one in the question they didn't ask what is CAB. They always go with alphabet, students. BAC. BDC is equal to what's the value? 43 degrees. So angle BAC, this is equal to 43 degrees. Same, write the same statement here. Angle formed on the same segments are equal. Completed? Okay, write it. Okay, tell me the next one. All of you completed? Next one, students. What's the next angle asked? Angle ABC. No. Fine. This is also fine. There are two ways to find the students. What Abigail told is also correct. Where is angle ABC? This angle, right? ABC. Can you all see ABC? So which triangle should I take? Which triangle? Yes. That, yeah. That is how you'll have to be. You have to be quick. As soon as you see, you can take the triangle. ABC. Obviously, it's a triangle. A is here. B and C. Any two sides are given. 43 and 52. So sum of what? Sum of interior angle of a triangle. That is one. Yes, that is one concept. If not, there's one more concept. Who can answer that? All of you will respond. Who can answer? One more concept. Think and answer. Where is this angle ABC touching? Is it touching the circle? Isn't it inside the quadrilateral? What kind of quadrilateral is it? Cyclic quadrilateral. What's the property of cyclic quadrilateral? Angle B plus the angle B remains as it is. What is angle D? Which two you have to add? Pretty good. Add 52 and this 95 goes to the other side, becomes subtraction. The answer is 55. Is this clear? Angle B is only ABC, students. Angle B you can even write it as ABC. All of you understood? Do it like this, or as Abigail told, you can take separate triangle. The only thing is that is statement. You should write a statement. I'll write even that. Look here, I'll write even the statement. No, Amy, because in exam, how many questions are you going to get? Only one or two, right? Only one or two questions. So you have to write the entire statement. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are equal. Opposite angles. So you can write it in short, students. Don't write full opposite. OPP, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are equal. Completed? Done? Right, write it. And those who are joining on time, you'll understand, students. Those who are joined late, you have to go through the recording. That's yeah, first 10-15 minutes. So hereafter, I'm not going to wait. If you're joining late, it is your mistake. 7 o'clock the class starts. Maximum 5 minutes I can wait. 7:05 you have to start. Okay. If you use sum of interior, look at this formula. You can write in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A is 43. Angle C is 52. Angle is equal to 180. Angle B is equals to 180 minus 53 plus 43 is 20. Are we getting the same answer? So do it however you all want. If you are thorough with the concept, there are 2 or 3 steps, 2 or 3 methods, students. Now is it clear? Are you able to do? Can you see the difference between whatever your teacher taught and this one? So don't follow all the this. Just ignore that. Or that they didn't start. You'll feel, yeah, you'll find the difference, Abigail. For those who didn't start, what are they doing? Which chapter are they doing? Oh, okay, okay. So, cyclic. What are the concepts they started? Can you tell me? Only those two theorems? Okay. So when they start cyclic, you'll get to know. Cyclic quadrilateral. See, before starting any chapter, student, you should know all the theory part. You should know all the theory part. Then it is very easy to solve. You can apply multiple theorems and you can solve the question. See, example we did here, cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are equal. Or we can use even triangle concept. What else is left? Cyclic 60. Shall we do the next one? Next one? Okay. So even if you're solving limited question, try to understand whatever we do. Even if we solve 10, 20 questions, that is enough. You should cover all the concepts. Fine. In the same question, I'll ask you one more thing. What if this point was center, student? Center. What if this point was center? If they ask you to find BOC, where is BOC? Center or circumference? Center. What is center formula? I told you, center is equal to 2 times circumference. If BOC is the center, which is the arc for BOC? B and C. On the same arc B and C, where is the angle formed in the center, students? On the circumference. See, from B, a line passes, touches to circumference. From C, it touches to circumference. So what's the angle formed there? Angle BAC. What is angle BOC? 2 times angle BAC, 43. 2 into 43 is 86 degrees. So this would have been how much? This one would have been 86. Is it clear? Only if they mention center. Remember, in any question, if they give the word center, O is the center, definitely they'll mention O is center. Then 100% we can use center is equal to twice circumference. Okay, if they don't mention that, circumference is equal to circumference concept. Fine. So we have done till the fifth. We'll do some few more basics from your textbook. What about this B? Yesterday I explained where you're able to solve B question. Okay, we'll do a few questions in B. And all the concepts, even without seeing the textbook, can you all go through, students? I mean, recollect all the concept without seeing the notes, whatever I taught. Okay, parallel line. So every day before joining, just go through the theorems. Theorems are important. Angle C. Question B is done. Question C. We'll do question C. MCQ question. Can you all try the question C, all of you all? Is any center mentioned there? Center is not mentioned. Angle C is how much? 50 degree. Yeah, try solving this today. Yes, try solving it. In the given figure, chord AB. Okay, chord AB is equal to what? Chord AB is equal to BB. Let me sum you. Very good. It's isosceles triangle. PAB is isosceles. So if two chords are given, just think where these two chords are touching. It is touching towards P and A. That forms a triangle. Isosceles. What you want to find all the angles. Let us find all the angles. According to this question, what do we need to find? PAB. Done? Okay. Is this statement, I mean, 3 marks or how many marks, students? MCQ. Only 1 mark question. So 1 mark statement is not required. All of you will try to complete it directly. Then I'll teach how to write the statement. Angle C is equal to 50 degrees. Completed? Did you get an idea how to solve? Only one Abigail has done. What about others? For angle, got it? Okay. For angle C, which is the arc, students? Tell me which is arc for angle C. Yes. How was angle C formed? I want all of you to answer. How was angle formed? A to C and from C to B. Yeah, C to B. So you don't take triangle, you take this arc. Look at this arc. Right? If it is formed using this arc, where is the angle formed? Center or circumference? Circumference. There is no center mentioned here. Right? First point. Second point. What do we need to find here? PA B, students. Yeah, PAB. No, no, PAB is not 50. I'll explain. P is 50, not A, Amy. Oh, isosceles, sorry, correct. Isosceles. That is second part, correct, 50 degrees. So first, angle formed in the center, circumference. What's the concept we use? Circumference is equal to circumference. Tell me what is the first circumference value? AC, B. On the same AB, which is, yes, AB. If this is 50, this is also 50. Very good. What's the statement you have to write? Angle formed on the, very good. Angles for, this is, we know this is a segment. It's not a sector, it's a segment. Angle formed on same segment are equal. Are equal. And if it is 3 marks, you write the statement, okay? If this is just MCQ question, you could have done it directly. So we have entered into this triangle, students. We have entered into this triangle. What kind of triangle is this when two sides are equal? Yes, in triangle PAB. Take triangle PAB. If you want, draw the diagram like this. We know it's isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Then which two angles are equal? Angle P. This is 50. Just draw opposite line, angle A. That is what they have asked, right? So what's the answer? 50 degree. If they ask B, oh, very good. 80, not 80, correct. 80 degrees. What about the other angles? Nothing else is possible. That's it, 80 degrees. So this is how you have to practice, students. Even last year I told students the same thing. You're not supposed to just find the answer what they ask. Try to find all the angles. Apply all the property, find all the angles. In exam they can ask you any question, any angle. So if they have asked you angle angle PBA would have got 80 degrees. Is this a cyclic quadrilateral? No, right? See, top this P and Q is not combined. Okay, they have not joined it. So you shouldn't. Yeah, you can join when I teach that I'll do it. I'll teach you when we do that. I'll teach. See, that's what I was about to tell you all. That's what I was about to do for the next one. This is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Is it a cyclic quadrilateral? No, right? All of you understood till here? Okay. See, they might ask like this, students. They won't give question. They'll just ask you to find ACP. What is ACP? If they ask ACP from A, where the angle goes, where the line travels from A to P and C to P. Was C to P connected in the actual question? No, let me connect this. Is this clear? Now I'll remove all these lines inside. Inside whatever lines and angles were given. I'll remove this. What kind of quadrilateral is this? This becomes cyclic quadrilateral. What was angle B we found? Yes. So angle B plus angle C will be equal to opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral 180. So angle C will be what? Very good. 180 minus 80 is 100. So this is how they'll ask me. Okay, if they ask question, you should know which one to join, which one to connect. Yeah. So you have to connect this, students. Connect this and write it as 100. Okay. So you should ask questions. What if you connect this like how Amy asked when your teacher? So observe what your teacher does, students. If anything is new, let me know. Okay. So this is how you connect lines. You connect lines and find angles. Next question. You can take any question and solve. This is concentric. Yeah. Do one thing. Keep this as pending. Still, I haven't started concentric circle. That doesn't come in this part. Okay. Try this question. Can you see parallel line? Option. Question E, students. Question E. Is any center given? Why no? O is the center. If O is the center, what is that line? If O is the center, yeah, diameter. So that line and parallel symbol is given. Try this question. Parallel symbol. They've asked us to find what? DAB. Yes, you have to connect it. This question we need to connect, students. But first thing, what you observe in this? First thing, 32 degrees given. Parallel line is given. Parallel line. As soon as you see parallel line, take out the parallel line like this, students. See, like this, and draw a line like this. Which concept I told you? 32 degrees here. What will be this angle? Yeah, what's the reason? Yes. Interior alternate. Those who don't know, I'll explain. See, look at this, students. Interior alternate. Let me explain interior alternate. These two are parallel lines, right? Uh, Parallel lines. In parallel lines, see, if a transversal line goes like this, whatever angle you get, are in the inside the angle, inside or outside the parallel line? Inside. Which position are they? Inside. Are in an alternate position? Yes, alternate position. See, if these two are next to each other, they are in straight line, students. Which concept you would have applied? Straight line formula. So these two angles are next to each other. These two angles are opposite. I mean alternate. Interior. They are inside the parallel line. Interior alternate angle. So right angle ACD is equal to which one? How do you name this angle? No, alphabetical order. BA. Yes. B should come first. Is equal to 32 degrees. Interior. What you have to write? Alternate angles. Why Anya is not responding? Susila, did you understand? Able to solve Anya, Delicia? Okay. See, in the beginning itself, I tell you all students, this chapter you get for 6 to 8 marks. Okay. A max ICSE is very tough. Not all can score above 80 or 90. So if you're not concentrating, if you're playful in the beginning, future sums, whatever we solve, definitely it would be tough. Okay. So it is simple. If you're just playful, not concentrating, you'll just lose 6 to 8 marks. Okay. Just 6 to 8. You can concentrate other chapters. Fine. So those who are concentrating from day one will understand all this. Okay, we got this as 32 degrees, students. What do we need to find here? Angle DA. Yeah. Angle DAB. This angle. What else is given here? Angle formed in the angle. Very good. 90 degrees. Which is diameter, students? Which is diameter? D and B. If you want to find, are they telling us to find DAC or DAB? DAB. So first thing, what you are told is correct. But angle DAB is made up of how many parts? It has two parts. What are the two parts we have? Very good. Angle DAC plus BAC. First thing, what is angle DAC? What is angle DAC? 90 degrees. Which concept we use to find angle DAC? Yes, what you should know. O is the center. Correct. O is the center. DC is the diameter. If DC is the diameter, what's the angle formed by the diameter on the circumference? 90. So this is 90 plus 30. Did ma'am teach angle formed in the semicircle? Okay. Did ma'am teach that? Okay, fine. 122 did. What about parallel line concept? Indeed, few concepts. Fine. So interior alternate angle, simple according to the name, it is inside an alternate position. Then what else? That's it. Angle formed in a semicircle. These are the two concepts we used. So whatever you'll explain to me, if it is 3 marks, just write it as a statement, students. Practice that. Write as a statement, you'll get the answer. Shall we do the next one? 90 plus 32 is 122. Angle 122 degree is. You'll get such questions for board exam, for NCQ. Second main is important. Proving questions you all don't have. Did ma'am tell you all? Omni, which main is she doing? When did ma'am start? From last week only the MCQ. Ma'am is doing only MCQ so far till now. Okay, okay, fine, fine. See, proving questions are not there, student. For ICSE, you don't have proving. Prove that AC is the diameter. AC is the diameter. We need to prove that. Angle BAD is 65. Angle BAD. See, this is 65 degrees. Amy, because of the way you have written, is B and C connected? Are B and C connected? In your textbook, is it connected? Okay, B and C. Isn't it forming a quadrilateral? Okay. And Amy, you have written 115. You told ma'am, correct. Ma'am told you didn't do, but you have written 115 years. I mean, you told ma'am didn't do. Yeah, this is first May. We are in the second. Everything okay. Exercise. Okay, not the main. Amy, this is exercise. First exercise. Exercise. I thought first main. That's what I was shocked. For 3 days, only 5 questions. Okay. Without cyclic quadrilateral, how do you get? Isn't it a cyclic quadrilateral, students? The cyclic quadrilateral, right? So what's the value of C? If A is 65, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. Okay. Complete this. Try this, student. Just a minute. What's the angle for DCB, students? Angle C is 180 minus 65 is 115. What have they asked us to find? Prove that AC is a diameter. Okay. How do you prove AC is a diameter? It is the reverse concept. Who can answer this? See, if AC, imagine AC is a diameter, students. All of you are online, right? Okay. Imagine AC is a diameter. Okay. In this question, they have asked us to prove. You imagine AC is a diameter here. If AC is diameter, what will angle D be? Tell me, if AC is a diameter, what is angle D? Angle formed on the semicircle. Angle formed on the semicircle is 90. Okay. What is angle B then? Yes, B also will be 90 degrees, right? B also will be 90 because AC is, yeah, AC is the diameter B. See, if AC is diameter, we know angle B is 90. Opposite is also same, students. Opposite also same. Imagine they don't mention AC is a diameter, but we know angle B is 90. If angle B is 90, then what is AC? Yes, it's a semicircle. It's a diameter, right? So it's just the opposite. Is this concept clear? Did you understand? If only angle D stood, look here, angle D is 90. If they give angle D, what about AC? AC should be what? 90, I mean, diameter, right? AC should be the diameter. It is just the reverse concept, okay? So now they have asked us to prove that AC is the diameter. If AC has to be diameter, what will be the value of D? What should be the value of D? 90 degrees. And what should be the value of B? Angle B? 90. So that is how that is what you have to check. Let me see what else they have given in this question. Yeah, let me see other question. 65 is given. This is 45 degrees, and here they have given us 70. Okay, what did I tell you all, students? In order to find AC's diameter, which one shall we take? Which one shall we find? D or B? Okay, we'll start with B. 70 degrees given. Where is this 70? How is the 70 degrees formed? Angle ABD is equal to. Is it formed in the center or circumference? Yes. Take AD as the arc. On the same arc, where's the other angle formed? No, no. Same angle. Where is the other? On the same arc, where's the other angle formed? ACD, right? Yeah, ACD. ACD is how much? 70 degrees. Yeah, but ACD is not required. In order to find ACD is 70. Then what else is given? ADB. Yeah, yeah. If you take which one? ADB and. Oh, okay. We almost. Yeah, correct, correct. Yeah, we almost got the answer. Yes, 45. Correct. See, even that cyclic quadrilateral was not required. This is the actual question, right? This is the actual question. This is the actual one. I got confused because Amy had written 115. I got confused there. Even cyclic is not written, not required. So, what is the first question asked here? Prove that which is diameter. AC is diameter. So, if AC is diameter, what will angle D be? Angle D should be 90. Out of that 90, tell me angle D is split into how many parts, students? Angle D is equal to what? Angle ADB plus, which is the other angle? This one. Correct, BDC. Angle BDC. How much is BDC? 45. So we need to find angle ADB, right? ADB. Where is ADB? If I erase all this, you'll understand. Where is ADB? Can you see this triangle? So use sum of interior angle, find ADB, check whether it is 45, students. Yeah, you get 45. So I didn't see that value actually. Fine. So I'll write the statement in triangle ABD, angle D plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Angle A is 65 degree, angle B is 70 degrees, 180. Angle D is equal to 180 minus all the students, 135. What is 180 minus 135? 45 degree, right? If you're getting confused, I'll split this into three angles. Angle ADB plus angle A plus angle ABD. Okay. So therefore we get angle ADB. What is angle ADB, students? What's the answer for ADB? No, no, not 90. 45. Substitute here. Are we getting 90 angle D? Is it clear, students? Done? Okay. So first thing you could have written this first, because this is reverse of that 90-degree concept. Whatever I taught is just the reverse. If AC wants to be the diameter, we take this angle. So therefore 45 is equal to 45, angle D is equal to 90. Write the statement, therefore AC is the diameter. Okay. Or below that you can mention the theorem. Angle formed on the semicircle is equal to 90 degree. Angle formed on the semicircle. So on any semicircle, students, from semicircle, angle formed on the circumference, angle formed on the circumference. Just mention this, angle formed on the circumference. Okay, angle formed on the circumference 90. Therefore AC is the diameter. AC is a diameter. The second part, okay, there is second part, ACB. Cyclic quadrilateral. Segment is also fine. Ah, correct, correct. We can find angle of same segment. What do we need to find here? AC, B. Yeah, first complete this, students. I'll tell you. See, some students can directly identify segment. Some students won't know whether to use segment. I'll tell you when to use segment concept. Is it a full day tomorrow, full day or half day, students? Full day, okay. Okay, look here, let me solve. All of you completed? Till here, is it done? Okay, what's the angle we found, students? What's the angle we need to find? Angle ACB. See, first thing, whenever they ask about a formula, check where is it touching? Where is the C touching towards? Center or circumference? Circumference. If it is touching on circumference, it is segment. What is segment made up of? Arc plus, yes, arc and chord. We got to know chord. What is chord here, students? AC is one chord and BC is another chord, right? We know chord. What is arc here? Which is the arc? Which is the arc? Not CB. AB. For C, ACB, Kia for ACB, C is the angle, AB is the chord. Clear? Okay. If it is circumference, is there any center here, students? In this diagram, is there any center? No, we don't have center. Then what's the other theorem? What's the other theorem? Center, circumference is equal to circumference. On the same arc, where's the other angle touching? Can you see this line? D, and from B, where is the other line passing? Where is it? Yes. Circumference is equal to circumference. Angle ACB will be equal to which one? Angle ADB. What is ADB? What value we got for ADB? Both are 45 degrees. Is it clear? All of you understood? Angles formed on same segment. Angles formed on same segment is the answer. Any doubts? Just go through this, students. Do you have any doubts? No? Okay. See, there are third main 4 questions are there. First one, second, third, fourth. Will you apply all the concept and try it? All 4 questions? Response, students. Okay. For all this, cyclic is not required. See, lot of questions. Secant is given, tangent. How come so soon they have started tangent? Okay. Just ignore that, student. Third main. Third main is for homework. All 4 questions. Only if you'll try this, you'll understand. If I keep solving all the questions, you won't be able to do it. Will you try the third question for homework, all of you all? Okay, complete it for homework, students. Complete that. Fine.